friends, and welcome. In a previous video, I talked about mean, median, and mode, and frequency distributions, and normal distributions like this one. So if you watch that, or if you already have a firm grasp on these things, then join me as we dive into standard deviation. And actually, we're going to be more skimming the surface of standard deviation. I'm not going to get too heavy into the math aspect of it, because if you're watching my videos, then you are likely learning data science or coding with some statistical Python libraries such as pandas, and the standard deviation will be calculated for you in those programs. But in data science, it is so important to know what standard deviation is and what it means for a data set. So if you're ready, let's jump in. So we have our normal distribution here, or somewhat normal, and our mean would be somewhere in here. Would be our X bar, or mean. In statistics, there is a rule that sort of explains how data is distributed in a distribution, and that by using a standard deviation, we can determine how spread out or how close together data is in a set. So the rule is that wherever one standard deviation starts on this side and one standard deviation on this side, by the way, standard deviation is represented as a Greek sigma. That's my best Greek writing, so forgive me. So this is one standard deviation to the left and one standard deviation to the right. And the rule says that within this standard deviation set, that 68% of your data will be found in that range. Once you go 2 standard deviations, so this would be 2, then here you should find 95% of your data. If we go one step further to 3 standard deviations, that's supposed to be sigma 3, and then sigma 3. In this range, we should find 99.7% of the data, which makes sense because that is most of the data. So knowing the spread of these standard deviations really comes in handy in data science. Standard deviation can come into play at the beginning of a data science project when you're exploring your data to find out the spread of your distribution, how widely spread or clustered your data is, and it can even come to play at the end of a data science project, perhaps when you are calculating confidence intervals and more. So this is a really important idea to grasp. I hope this explanation helped you. If you liked it, give me a like, and you might also find the other videos in this playlist helpful. And good luck on your data science learning journey.